Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add tags in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to help YouTube understand your content better and improve discoverability, yeah, adding tags can still be useful. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. Once inside the dashboard, click the Content tab from the left side menu. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored. Now choose the video you want to edit and click its title or thumbnail to open the details page. Scroll down and click Show More to reveal advanced settings for the video. Now look for the tags section. This is where you can add keywords related to your video topic. Type your tags one by one and separate them with commas. I mean, use keywords that actually match your content. Try adding a mix of broad and specific keywords, including your topic, niche, and possible search phrases viewers might use. Once you finish adding tags, click the Save button in the top right corner to apply the changes. And don't stuff unrelated keywords into your tags. That can actually hurt your video performance instead of helping it. So yeah, that's how to add tags in YouTube Studio in 2026. It's a quick step, but it helps organize your content and improve discoverability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.